We have our file all ready to go. We have our clipping path made, so let's go ahead and print this. So we're going to go to the File menu, come down to Print, and we'll get this dialog box. We need to make sure that the printer that we have chosen is the OKI data printer that you're going to print to. Mine happens to be the 711. Make sure we have the same PPD for that printer. So it is. If you have other printers available in your system, you'll just choose a drop down and choose the OKI. In order to get to the print driver with all the specifics that the OKI allows us to do, we have to go ahead and hit the setup button down here. Then we'll get this dialog box. It's just telling us that in order to use all the capabilities of Illustrator when printing something, we want to go ahead and return to the print dialog box. So use this big box here for everything. But we're going to the OKI data driver for specific options. So we're going to hit continue. And here we go. Our printer is the OKI data. Make sure that's there. And in order to access the features of the printer, we're going to click on this layout drop-down menu and go to printer features. So here we go, right in the front. First piece is mirror print. You want to make sure you check that if you're making transfers for shirts. You can change the quality if you'd like to get a higher quality print. That's totally, completely up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and leave mine at 600 by 600. My feature sets, I'm going to click here. I'm going to go to color options. This is where you would set your white toner on or your white toner off. You can have a color print or a grayscale print, that sort of thing. The next option is color print details 1. I don't change anything in this. I just leave it as defaults. And I'm going to go here to color print detail 2. Same thing here. I don't change anything. These are the settings that I use. And right here at paper input options, well, now we're going to start choosing something here. What you want to do is come here where it says media check and then media type. Use printer settings. I'm going to click on this. And for my 711 printer, if I'm using exact print paper, I would go ahead and use Ultra Heavy 2. If you're going to use the exact print opaque papers, you know, the A+B paper for dark shirts, you want to go ahead and use the films setting. And if you happen to have an OKI data C920 white, you want to go ahead and choose transparency for that particular printer. You don't see it in this list because I don't have that driver selected. With that, I'm going to go ahead and hit the print button. And now hit this print button and it'll come out our machine.